Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this VW Passat 2012 1.6 tdci, and I'm going to be replacing the air filter, and to do that what we need to do is remove some Phillips screws. We don't need to take them all the way out, just loosen them. There is 8 Phillips, and once you loosen them all, you can lift this cover up and get the filter out. Now that filter doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna replace it anyway. So that's the part number for this filter, LX1211, and that's the filter there. Get it to sit there nicely, and then refit the cover and tighten the Phillips. And that's it. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.